Hey everyone, I'm going to start a video on how I do the texturing for one of these little potter flowers. Kind of looks like a dogwood. So it's kind of the way metal works and geometry. I'm going to split each of the petals in half, just visually for when I'm hammering. And then I will start hammering on my center line with a cross peen hammer. And so my cross peening will start from the center and then move out like a fan one way, come back to the center, move out like a fan in the other way. So you're creating a center, outward hammering pattern, and you'll go always from the same center point. So the way it looks on paper is hammer, 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 hammer. It's hammer time. So once that's finished, I take and use a cold chisel that I've modified. The end of it is, on my camera here, the end of it is right there. And it basically is filed to a rounded taper, and I use that as a liner in between each of the petals. I start and I use the kind of the shallow end, the smaller end, toward the center of the flower, and I just take and line. Find the center, line, center, all the way until I have those texture lines. Then basically what I'll do is I'll take the textured flower, after, say for example, if this one's textured, I will turn it upside down, and I will take a dapping punch, and I will dap on the back side of each of the petals, find my pen, where I want my dome to start. So here, 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 and here. Now, when you do that, you do not want to use a hard anvil. You want to use something like wood. The end grain of wood will allow for the dapping punch to go into the wood and allow that divot to start to form on the back side of the flower. Once that divot's formed, you're going to see this portion of the flower start to curl up as you're pushing down. So you'll push down, this portion will curl up. Once that area starts to curl up, you could possibly end up needing to anneal. And then once we anneal, we can go back and start again.